Vegas, baby, Vegas! Vegas! Hi, midlife. Vegas!
Hey guys, I don't know if you know this or not, but one of my favorite lines from the Fast and Furious movie is in Fast and Furious 8, where they're chasing Dom, and they say,
You gotta have about 2,000 horsepower in that thing. Try 3,000.
Try 5.
so I'm pleasantly surprised that Dom's Charger is here. Toretto Charger. Excuse me. And here we are, the Rad Company, with the Tarvis Fast and Furious build. We're here at Tarvis's build, the F&F build, and we got a great product, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about it. Tell us about your product, why it's popular, and why people like it.
So we have 2 factories. We bring over a lot of microfiber from China and Korea. We have 150 different microfiber types currently. We just launched a new chemical line called WOWOs. That'll be hitting our website on December 9th, available for purchase. It's going to be manufactured here in the US. It's originally a UK blend out of Scotland. And we have a couple new towels coming out this year, so definitely check us out. You can always see us at theradcompany.com, check out our YouTube channel, and we will talk to you guys later.
Awesome. So you said you're just kind of friends with Tarvis. How did that kind of come about?
So I'm not really sure. I know Anthony went down. Anthony knows him. He's gone down, worked on some of his cars, just kind of became friends with him. We actually had another car set up to be in the booth, and it fell through, and first person we thought of was Tavares, see if
Nice.
what can he bring out, and we talked to him, and he says, hey, yeah, we got the Lambo, and let's get it out there to you guys and make it happen.
Beautiful, awesome. I appreciate your time, man.
Not a problem.
Thank you. Yep.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. So, in all honesty, jokes aside, I think we have what Jared might want in this next little walk around. Actually, we might have a few of what Jared might like in this next little walk around. Let's take a look see. BMW in its natural habitat, not working. It's staying there. We know this, we love it. Oh, and what do we have over here? What do we got over here, Jer? Little H&R, and little, some enemies become friends, some friends become enemies, yeah? 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 Little BMW M series, yeah? Huh? But we know you like your M1. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. We know you like the M1.
Trying to go to
this BMW. See, this is a proper Fast and Furious car. It's got diamond-plated floor pans. Diamond-plated floor pans. And what's that? Oh, never mind. I thought it was an extra shot of necklace. Got Hyogo here with Devil's Own, and he's going to talk a little bit about this monster build I just took some video of. Tell us about it and your involvement.
So the monster build is it's a stock SRT car. All he's done is, I mean, he's kind of modified, added supercharger to it. He's rebuilt the rear end. He's got some big, huge, sick fat tires in the back. I mean, it squats and goes. They actually dynoed it, from what I've been told, is that dynoed at 3,200 RPM before the actual transmission broke in half.
Really?
Yes. So, I mean, it's putting down a substantial amount of power. From what Sam Morris, he's the guy that built the actual the car from Gucci Motors. They're based out of Florida. He was saying that it's an estimate roughly between 12 to 1,400 horsepower.
And so did he put the stock transmission back in there, or did he upgrade?
No, he upgraded, yeah. He upgraded. I mean, you got to.
You have to. You have to break it in half, right?
At 3,200 RPM, once the actual transmission broke, shattered, I think they read about 880 horsepower.
Yep.
And so that was obviously not the complete sheet there. So, but just a little tease there, and I can't wait for this vehicle to get out on the streets and terrorize the village. So
yeah, tell us a little about your product.
So we're a water methanol injection company. Our mix is kind of 50-50. We do methanol kits on all types of vehicles. We do them on cars, trucks, diesels. We've actually had them on boats and Sea-Doos.
Oh.
So, I mean, literally a little bit of everything. A spectrum of everything, yes, sir.
Awesome, I appreciate it. Hey, man, thanks for your time, Hugo.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Have a great one.
You too.
And yet another video for Rob. Rob coming in strong. Right. The all stainless chassis works. Ooh. Look at this thing. I love this rear suspension work right here. Really cantilevered suspension in the rear. Unbelievable. Look at that side here. Ooh. All guts.